हेलो स्टूडेंट, लेमड़ा इंस्टीट्यूट में आपका स्वागत है। फिजिक्स ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के अंदर आपका स्वागत है। फिजिक्स ऑनलाइन विशाल सर पढ़ने के लिए स्टूडेंट रेडी हो जाओ। स्टूडेंट आज हम बात करने वाले चैप्टर नंबर 3 करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के अंदर इलेक्ट्रिक सेल्स, फैराडे फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड लॉ एंड लेक्लांस डेनियल एंड सेकेंडरी सेल का थोड़ा इंट्रोडक्शन एंड थ्योरी। तो स्टूडेंट हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक नहीं कराए तो सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक जरूर करिए। सो स्टूडेंट, इलेक्ट्रिक सेल्स, फैराडे फर्स्ट लॉ, सेकंड लॉ एंड लेक्लांस we will start now. Let's talk about electric cells. The electric cells, one of the predominant of the most of usage item in the index. In first we talk about the electric cells, voltaic cells, primary cells, Daniell cell and Leclanche cell in a primary cell, and secondary cells is lead acid accumulator. An application of the secondary cells. In application of the secondary cell, we can typically application carrying the sunlight and get silicon chip become charged and generally the improve the electricity. So we will talk about the starting point, the development of electric cells in the classic experiment by the Luigi Galvani and his wife Lucia on a dissected frog hung from iron railing with brass hooks in sea. So it was observed that whenever the legs of the frog touched the iron railings, it jumped, and this is introduction of the animal electricity. So we will talk about later Italian scientist and the greatest Italian scientist, genius Professor Alessandro Volta came up with an electrochemical battery, and the battery Volta name after him considered the piles or copper in this place ultimately separated by the paper and introduces salt solution in Volta. So when the N plates were connected to an electric bell, it continued to ring, opening a new world of electrochemical cells. His experiment established that a cell could be made by using the decimal metal and salt solution in the reactor, almost one metal in the electrolyte. So in voltaic pile. So वाले स्टूडेंट, Faraday law of the electrolysis. Faraday of the electrolysis is the electricity generator between two electrolytes by the electrolysis. The factor of adding the quantity of the matter liberated during the process of electrolysis were investigated by the Faradays. First law of the Faraday: the mass of the substance liberated at an electrolyte is directly proportional to the charge passing through the electrolyte, and mass substance liberated and alpha charge passed in electrolyte will be constant. So if an electric current I is passed through an electrolyte for a time t, the amount of the charge small q charge pass is E. So according mass to substance liberated, small m is m q or m equal to z I t, where z is constant for the substance being the liberator called electrochemical equivalent, and unit of kg per coulomb. And next we will talk about electrochemical equivalent of a substance is defined as the mass of a substance liberated electrolysis when 1 coulomb charge is passed through the electrolyte. So, in Faraday first law, now we talk about Faraday law of the electrolyte second law. The mass of the substance liberated at the electrolyte by a given amount charge is proportional to the chemical equivalent of a substance, and chemical equivalent equal to relative atomic mass upon valency equal to mass of the atom equal divided by 1/12 of the mass of C12 atom valency. And capital E is chemical equivalent of a substance. And next number, so secondary cell, the advantage of the secondary cell is that they are rechargeable. So the chemical reaction that take place in secondary cell are reversible. The active materials in the use of cell derived current can be reproduced by the passing current through in the cell opposite direction. So secondary cell advantage is chargeable. Chemical process of obtaining current from a secondary cell is called discharge. The process of reproducing active materials is called charging. The most common secondary cell are lead acid accumulator and alkali accumulator. So the lead acid accumulator consists of container made of the hard rubber and glass of celluloid. The container contain diluted sulfuric acid which act as the S-type of electrolyte is shown in the figure. Swansea lead Pb act as the negative electrolyte. And we talk about the electrolyte are separated by suitable insulating materials and assembly in the way to give low internal resistance when the cell is connected in a circuit due to the oxidation. The negative electrode Swansea lead reacting with dilute sulfuric acid produces lead sulfide and 2 electrodes. Now we talk about the electrode flow in the external circuit from negative electrode to positive electrode where the reduction action is placed. At the positive electrode, lead oxide on reaction with the sulfuric acid produce lead sulfate, and this makes conventional current to flow from positive electrode to negative electrode in the circuit. So now we talk about the EMF of a freshly charged cells is 2.2 volt and the specific gravity is electrolyte 1.28, and this cells has low internal. And we will talk about as the cell is dischargeable by the drawing current from the EMF flow about 2 volts. In the process charging, chemical reaction are reverse. An application of secondary cell, the secondary cell are rechargeable. They have very low internal resistance, hence they deliver high current is required, and they can recharge very large number of times without any deterioration in the properties these cells made by, and they are used in all automobiles like cars, two-wheels and trucks. It's the state of charging is simply monitoring the specific gravity of the electrolyte. It should lie between 1.28 to 1.12 during charging, discharging respectively. Thank you.